It is early in the morning. Sarah is in the bathroom. She is wearing a soft white robe. Usually, on your wedding day, you are very happy. But look at Sarah's face. She looks nervous. She is looking in the mirror and thinking about her life. Why is she nervous? Let's find out. Look at this. This is a pregnancy test. Sarah took this test a few minutes ago. Do you see the two lines? These two lines mean Sarah is pregnant. She is going to have a baby. She is happy, but she is also very surprised because today is her wedding day. Sarah starts to cry. Are these sad tears? No, these are happy tears. She wants to tell Mark, but it's a secret. She decides to wait until the party after the wedding to tell him the big news. Now, let's look at Mark. Mark is in a different room. He is getting ready for the wedding ceremony. He is wearing a very formal black suit called a tuxedo. He is fixing his collar at his wrist. He looks handsome and very excited. He doesn't know Sarah's secret yet. The music starts. Sarah is walking down the aisle. She is wearing a beautiful lace wedding dress and a long white veil. Everyone is looking at her. Mark is in the front. When he sees her, he smiles very big. He thinks she is the most beautiful woman in the world. They are standing in front of the minister. They say their vows. They promise to love each other forever. Then the minister says, "You may kiss the bride." They kiss. All their friends and family clap their hands. Now they are officially husband and wife. After the ceremony, there is a big party. In English, we call this a wedding reception. There are flowers and beautiful lights everywhere. Mark and Sarah are dancing together. They are laughing and talking. But Sarah is waiting for the right moment. She has the secret gift in her pocket. she decides it's time to tell him. Sarah says, Mark, I have a wedding gift for you. She gives him a small silver box. Mark is confused. He opens the box slowly. Inside, he sees two tiny white baby shoes. He looks at the shoes and then he looks at Sarah. He understands. He says, Are we having a baby? And Sarah nods her head. Yes. Mark is so happy. He has a huge smile on his face. He gives Sarah a very big hug. All the guests at the wedding are cheering. It is the perfect end to a perfect day. Sarah and Mark are starting a new family. What a beautiful story. Did you enjoy the finale? If you did, please like this video and subscribe to Mommas Fluent English. And tell me in the comments, how did you feel when Mark opened the gift? I love reading your comments. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.